to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Jeep Wrangler. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler continues to uphold its legacy as an off-road icon, offering robust engine options, trail-ready features, and a seamless mix of heritage and modern design. Whether you're navigating rugged trails or cruising city streets, the Wrangler remains a top choice for adventure seekers. With the return of the V8 powertrain and the trusty 8-speed automatic for V6 models, Jeep ensures there's something for everyone in this beloved lineup. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler brings back the adrenaline-pumping V8 Wrangler 392, though it lacks the Mopar triple-loop grille guard and the Mopar Jeep 83-piece toolkit exclusive to the 2024 final edition. Additionally, the 8-speed automatic transmission for V6 models rejoins the lineup. Beyond these updates, the Wrangler remains largely unchanged, carrying over its features from the previous model year. The Wrangler's interior blends the charm of vintage Jeep styling with contemporary functionality. While it may not be the most spacious SUV on the market, it provides a driver-focused experience. The elevated driving position offers a commanding view of the road or trail ahead, enhancing confidence during tricky maneuvers. However, rearward visibility can be a challenge due to thick roof pillars, roll bars, and grab handles, which are integral to its rugged design. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler offers a wide array of powertrain options to suit different driving styles. 3.6-liter V6. The standard engine generates 285 horsepower and pairs with either a 6-speed manual or an optional 8-speed automatic. 6.4-liter V8. Exclusive to the Rubicon 392, this 470 horsepower beast is mated to an 8-speed automatic for exhilarating performance. 2.0-liter Turbo 4. With 270 horsepower, this engine delivers a blend of efficiency and capability. Plug-in hybrid 4xe. This 375 horsepower powertrain provides electrified efficiency for eco-conscious adventurers. All Wranglers come equipped with part-time 4-wheel drive, making them trail-ready right out of the factory. Full-time 4-wheel drive is available on the Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon models, and comes standard on the Rubicon 392. Jeep has yet to announce the official release date for the 2026 Wrangler, but it is expected to hit dealerships in late 2025 or early 2026. Pricing will likely start around $32,000 for the base model Sport, with the range-topping unlimited Rubicon 392 exceeding $80,000. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.